Travel is a way to push ourselves beyond our limits and discover the beauty of the world around us. It's an opportunity to try new things and to connect with people. As we journey to new places, we discover a new way of thinking that brings us closer to nature. Whether we're hiking through the mountains, swimming in the ocean, or simply enjoying a walk in the park, we find solace in the beauty and majesty of our environment. And in those quiet moments, when we're surrounded by awe-inspiring beauty, we realize that we are part of something much bigger than ourselves. So let's keep exploring, keep pushing ourselves, and keep discovering the wonders of this incredible world we live in.